Hey, we're here at go2math.com. We had a 5-second delay there. Not sure what happened. We're doing the average value, finding the average value, and I believe we're doing this one here. Okay, be the last one of this section for a while anyway, until I get caught up. Find the average value of f of x on the interval a, b. All right. So let's go ahead and write this problem down. We have f of x is equal to x cubed plus 8, 0 to 9. Okay, moving over to the whiteboard, so we'll go ahead and write this down, what you need to know. So 1 over b minus a, taking the integral from a to b, I should say, of f of x dx. So our f of x is equal to x cubed plus 8, and then we're going from 0 to 9. So I don't really try to use anything complicated, these functions, something simple, because we're really just trying to get across the concept. We don't want to get caught up in a bunch of algebra. We are just trying to get the concept across at this point. So we're going from 0 to 9. Our f of x, which is x cubed plus 8 dx, right, dx. We'll go ahead and write equals here. So we have 1/9, and okay, so we'll go ahead and take the integral here. So we have, let's start parentheses, x to the 4th over 4 plus 8x, going from 0 to 9. Right? So we go ahead and plug everything in. So you know what, I'm going to start a bracket here because I'm going to put all this stuff inside. We have 9 to the 4th over 4 plus 8 times 9, close parentheses, minus, open parentheses. Always start parentheses, especially when you got a minus sign. Right? I tend to say that over and over again. Well, 0 to the 4th over 4 is 0, and then 8 to the 0, 8 times 0 is 0 also, so we'll just do that. Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead. What did it say? Didn't say anything about rounding, so we want exact value here. Exact value. Right? So we got 9 to the 4th divided by 4, and that's some big nasty number, plus, actually I don't think that's that big of a number, it was just big fraction. 8 times 9 is 72, I do know that. That's about all I know. And we're going to multiply. Okay, well, surely you can do this. And then times, I shouldn't say that, times 1/9. I know you can. Even though I get complaints every once in a while, why did you skip that step? Like, 760, even though this is really a big part of calculus, believe it or not, getting down the arithmetic and the algebra, that's really the where you learn 761 over 4 is what I end up with. That's what they always say anyway. Yeah, is you learn your algebra in Cal 1, and you learn your calculus when you take differential equations. So that's what they say, and I kind of agree with them. I do know that you do brush up on your algebra when you take Cal 1, that's for sure, and probably maybe learn some things. Alright, well, we're over here at go2math.com. I think that's going to be the last problem, I do believe, of this section for a while, until, like I said, until I can get caught up and get all these problems, and I can go back in and program the help button here for all of them. So there you go. Alright, well, come on by go2math.com, practice this stuff, and maybe you'll talk to me later.